Hey everyone, so this is going to be the top 5 hair colour trends that are making waves right now. So number 1 is blended blonde. Blonde is one of those colours that isn't your average blonde or brunette. Blended blonde seamlessly mixes warm and cool tones together for a seamless, dimensional, lived-in look. And with lived-in colour, what you get from that is something that is very sort of minimal maintenance, longevity. Your client can get a longer time out of it. I know that's not great for all hairdressers, but making a client's colour look great for a longer period of time, there's going to be those points in the middle of it where they'll want to come in for a toner, or they'll want to come in for a little bit of a refresh, blow dry, haircut. But if you can make their colour last longer, they're going to love you for a long time, making it a stylist and client's fan favourite. So number 2 is the caramel melt balayage. This technique is taking balayage from where it is now back to where it's supposed to be. So balayage is actually a freehand technique. You're not supposed to be hitting those platinum colours. It's more supposed to be caramels, toffees, sun-kissed. And this technique creates a beautiful sun-kissed effect with a gradual lightening from the mid-lengths to the ends. So that is a traditional balayage technique. We can use our clay lighteners, we could use creams, we could use our powders. We don't really want to be putting it in foil because we don't want to be hitting those high-level blondes. So imagine a delicious caramel colour melting seamlessly into your client's natural hair for a soft and beachy vibe. I think that's going to be a salon winner. So number 3, and it is the statement blonde money piece. So money pieces are those colours that bright pop at the front of your face that you see a lot of people wearing either with foils, foliage, balayage, ombre, and it's just that focal point at the front. So with this trend, it just adds that bold pop of brightness around the face, framing and highlighting your features. So the money piece refers to the light section at the front, typically a shade of blonde that contrasts beautifully with your base colour. Now, it doesn't have to be naturally base colour, it could just be the base colour that your stylist puts on. So you want to be working in tandem with the colours. So you don't want to go for a really cool base and a really warm money piece, because that's just going to look like it hasn't lifted properly. Then again, you don't want to go a really cool money piece and a warmer natural base or base colour, because again, it's just going to offset. I know the blended bronze was a mix of cool and warm, but that's a seamless result. This is going to be a pop of colour and a base colour. So you want them to sort of be in sync with one another to get the trend popping, get the trend a popping, how people want it. So trend number 4, and I'm glad to see this one, to be honest, because it's all been about blondes. And this is the soft cool black. So often an alternative to the harsh black. And when we look at the harsh black that is just so black that it's overdone, this trend, it utilizes cool tones to create a sophisticated dimensional dark shade. So remember back in the day, if you're a hairdresser or maybe a client, you had it, the blue blacks, so the cooler blacks, because that's what it adds, that depth and shine without appearing flat, and that is what you really want. It makes it perfect for those who want a dramatic yet elegant look. And with blacks, they shine so much. If you've got really healthy hair, cuticles all sitting nice and flat, you're going to get so much shine. People are going to be asking, is it a wig? And trend number 5, this isn't all the trends for the year. This is just 5 trends that I've picked out that I love to do in salon, but is also what I'll be showcasing on this channel. So if you want to be seeing the how-tos, make sure you subscribe down below, click the bell to see my notifications for when I go live. But trend number 5 is the ginger brunette. The what? Yes, the ginger brunette. So when it comes to talking about gingers and coppers, the ginger brunette is red hair being back in a big way. So this fiery take on brunette is perfect for adding some spice into your life as well as your clients, because you're going to be absolutely loving doing it on them. The ginger brunette uses copper and auburn tones to create a warm reddish brown sort of hue that flatters fair and olive skin tones. So if you're thinking about yourself as a client watching this and you're thinking, I want something different this year, I don't want to quite go black, I want something in the middle, the ginger brunette is for you. And if you've got those fair and olive skin tones, then this is going to suit you down to a T. So that is the top 5 that I've currently chosen. There'll be more, but these are the 5 colour trends that I've chosen so far this year that I want to be seeing all you guys wearing. And if you do, make sure you tag me in them on Instagram at paulwatts.life or paulwattshair. Again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below if you're thinking about having any of these trends, and then until next time, I'll see you on the next video.